Hello my beautiful friends, welcome. My name is Christina Marie. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, and giveaways. I've got an unboxing and a giveaway both for you in this video. Speaking of giveaways, every month I do an eyeshadow palette giveaway for the month of September. It is the Pure Festival palette. Put a link for that in the description box down below. As far as other giveaways, we are going to be giving away one of the items in here. I don't know which one yet. The only one that I do know of the products that are in here, because I haven't peeked yet, is the one that I picked out. And then, so there are, for the premium box, $35, there are 6 full-size items in here, and you get to choose one of those 6 items. The rest are all kind of a surprise. So I love Boxycharm. If you guys want to check it out, if you want to sign up for them, I do have a code. It'll save you a little bit of money, and it helps me out with bonus points as well. That will be in the description box down below. So somewhere in this video will be a secret word. You're going to need to know that for your entry form. And the entry form is in the description box down below, along with all the rules. Biggest rules: you must be a subscriber, watch this video in its entirety, and know that secret word. So let's dive in and see what's in here. Oh, some of you guys have been asking what I have on my eyes. And I just filmed kind of a fall favorites video, and I put this in it. This is the Nubian by Juvia's. It is just this Nubian 2 by Juvia's. And look at that, just screams fall. Love, love, love. So I don't think I've ever had a version number this low before. I have a version number 2. So what did you guys do for your weekend? Let me know in the comments down below. I went out to dinner with my husband and parents and brother and his wife to celebrate my brother's birthday. First time I've been at a restaurant since this whole thing started. And we did sit outside, and our table was away from other people. So that was it was kind of good to do, because we haven't done it forever. Okay, so what'd you guys do? Let me know in the comments down below. First item I'm pulling out, is this really pretty eyeshadow palette. It is ELOISE the Queen. And it's ELOISE Beauty the Queen eyeshadow palette. Retails for $48. And the Queen palette possesses immense energy of life, femininity, and strength. Each color tells a story, and color holds infinite power and carries a unique narrative. Our highly pigmented colors, which are suitable for all ranges of skin tones, are inspired by stories, tales, and legends of kingdoms, taking you through a journey in time from the past to the present, an era of femininity, grace, and power. A queen lies in us all. Love that part. There's a mirror on this side, and then, ooh, look at these shades. They are right up my alley. So, so pretty. Love it. The next item is one that I did pick. It is the HENRIKSEN PHAT Glow Facial. I've heard amazing things about this. Get flawless skin with PHAs, the no downtime exfoliating acid, and key ingredient in Olay's first one-stop at-home facial. What makes PHAs so special? They're fat. Literally. Like AHAs, PHAs deliver skin perfecting, age fighting results, but PHAs are just a little plumper. They are big molecules, so they don't go as deep and loosen up the glue that binds the surface layers of the skin together and reveal the newer, fresher skin underneath. That means less irritation and recovery time for everyone. Even sensitive skin types, it does retail for $50. Super excited about this one. You know I love me a good toner. This is the Saturday Skin Pore Refining Toner. This pore clarifying toner helps to smooth and refine your skin's appearance with an effective dose of 10% glycolic acid. The Pore Control Complex targets pore concerns with a blend of ingredients that help improve and look and for balanced, clear skin. It does retail for $30. What is this? Quiche Ice Roller? The Ice Roller is your new at-home facial made with high-quality surgical stainless steel. It helps calm inflammation, increase blood circulation, activate sore muscles, tension, headaches. I get a lot of headaches and a lot of migraines. Recommended daily use for best results. Store in the freezer. Let's open this bad boy up. Ooh, I do love that it has a surgical steel. It has a nice kind of aerodynamic handle that's kind of like good, easy grip. Get in there, good. It's even cool just like this because it's the surgical steel. Oh, I see where I am going to love this. Cannot wait. Wash this and get it in the freezer so I can use it tomorrow. Love, love, love this. I've always wanted one. I have my jade roller that I use to, you know, work in like face masks and serums, but I think I'm gonna really, really like this. You guys, sit down. There's Marc Jacobs in our box. I was wondering if it was gonna come because I saw it in like the Boxy pop-up last month. This is the Marc Jacobs Beauty Enamored Shine Liqueur. It does retail for $29. Mine is in the side. Cha-cha changes. Do you know that Marc Jacobs, when he selects what his shades names are, they're all kind of from lyrics from his like favorite songs. So, little tidbit there. Anyway, this is the Marc Jacobs Enamored High Shine Lip Liqueur is formulated with a breakthrough triple shine and complex and high performance polymers that transform color pigments into a hydrating gloss, enriched with antioxidant-rich superfoods and cell-repairing polytornants, plus vitamin A and C, unprecedented shine, and unstoppable wear. Oh, look at this copper, kind of multi-chrome looking shade. So gorgeous. Perfect for the fall. By Frank Body is a coconut coffee scrub. Vacation glowing skin, right this way, babe. I am a natural vegan body scrub here to give you a vacation glowy skin all year round with a blend of coffee and essential oils. I'll work my magic on stretch marks. Got those from having a little baby 18 years ago. And leave you as free as palm tree. What does that mean? Free as a palm tree? I don't get it. Exfoliate smooth and tones for real and imaginary vacations. Made with roasted coffee grinds, grapeseed oil, and jojoba beads. Retails for $18.95. So total, this box was $188. I mean, this right here paid for this and this, or probably the two biggest things that I geeked out about. And the Marc Jacobs, yes, please. So, you know, we're giving away something in here. Let's do this one. And here's the reason why, is because I can't use it. I am allergic to coffee. Coffee gives me migraines. I can't drink it, anything like that. Most people, it's the opposite for. If they don't drink a cup of coffee, they get a migraine. For me, if I drink one, I get a migraine. College was interesting. I would be having a cup of coffee, cramming for finals, and taking a bunch of Tylenol at the same time. Secret word, coffee. So what you need to do for this, like I said before, you must watch this video in its entirety and be a subscriber. In the Google links down below is a Google form. Make sure to fill that out. Make sure to put on it your YouTube name so I can check, yes, you are subscribed, and also what the secret word is, and there's a spot for it on the form. If you put the secret word in the comments down below, I had somebody do that last time. Don't. I will delete your comment, which I did, and you will be disqualified from the giveaway. Speaking of another way you can get disqualified, if you fill out the form more than once, because it shows me who's filled it out more than once, that'll get you also disqualified. So don't, just be cool, you guys, just roll with it. I love giving back to you guys. So let's have this giveaway go through October 13th, and it'll be Mountain Standard Time, midnight. At that time, the giveaway will close, and then on the 14th, I will pick the winner. I'll do a random number generator, and that will be how I pick the winner. There are 2 extra bonus entries that you can do to enter it. Go follow me over on Instagram. That handle is beautyamab. And then if you share this video, that'll give you an extra bonus entry as well. I'm really trying to grow this channel here, and I gotta get my watch time minutes up so I can get this monetized. This giveaway is open internationally. I am, though, not responsible for duties, taxes, fees, anything extra than the regular shipping for it to get to you, or if it's kind of lost or damaged or anything like that. So I'm excited about this. I love giving back to you guys. I love being a little ray of sunshine for you guys. I hope that you have a beautiful rest of your day. I hope that you had a fabulous weekend. Let me know what you did in the comments down below. YouTube will now go ahead and insert a couple other videos for you. If you have the time, I'd greatly appreciate you checking them out. Have a beautiful day, you guys. Take care of yourselves. Take care of one another. And I will see you soon. Good luck in the giveaway. Bye.